My name is Michael Payne, and I'm the chairman of our firm's federal government contracting group. We represent the whole gamut of construction contractors of various sizes, from small business disadvantaged contractors to service disabled to minority contractors of various kinds, all the way to the very largest construction contractors in the United States. And our reach extends not only throughout the United States, but internationally as well.
Hi, my name is Casey McKinnon. I'm a partner in the government contracts group at Cohen Seglias. As an undergrad and in college, I studied government and history, and I've always had a love of public policy and government. It's good to know why the laws are written the way they are, but also understand that you have rights, and there are ways to pursue those rights under the laws. I find the most joy and most satisfaction in the cases that we take care of on the early side, and we find a way to short-circuit a problem before it becomes litigation or a big dispute.
We've learned through many years of experience that litigation is probably the worst way to settle a dispute. It's far better to get people around the table to compromise and work things out.
Not everything is a legal dispute. Some things are really more business matters, so the advice that we give our clients tends to merge between legal considerations and practical business considerations. And our clients appreciate that holistic look at the problems that they bring to us.
I think that the reason that so many of my clients and our group's clients have stuck with us for so many years is because we're responsive and because we give them good advice and because they recognize that we really do know the field.
We're a government contracts group that has repeated interactions and repeated cases with the same offices. We have relationships at almost every agency that our clients deal with.
Some of us previously, like myself, worked for the government, and that comes in handy because you gain an understanding of how the government looks at things from the inside.
The attorneys that have worked within the government have a better understanding at times about the agency hierarchy, where the pressure points might be, who needs to get permission within the government to get the outcome we're looking for. And that knowledge can be extremely useful in trying to solve problems. I think that's one of the things that sets our group apart at Cohen Seglias. Our clients come to us from time to time with problems that are not government contracts problems. It might be a lease dispute, a contract dispute, an employment matter, and we can turn to other attorneys in our firm to answer those questions. So we can leverage our relationships and our experience in other groups to help provide the full service or range of services that our clients might need.
We pride ourselves on being able to simplify things and explain them to our clients in a way that they will understand and enable them to deal more effectively with the government.
Our solutions are tailored to their particular needs. So it's important that we know their business. We know what's happened in their past. We know where they're looking to go in the future. And we tailor our advice that way. And we think of ourselves as counselors and advisors and partners rather than simply lawyers who are going to handle litigation for them. It's fun and enjoyable, not only to win for our clients, but to come out with the right outcome, to do what's right, and it ends up a good outcome for the government and for our client.